Hello everyone, welcome to online computer network classes. In today's lecture, we will discuss about Internet protocols. Internet protocol is basically a network layer protocol. It delivers packet from source to destination. There are basically two versions of IP version 4 and IP version 6. Now, what is IP version 4? IP version 4 was introduced in 1981. It uses basically 32-bit addressing and it is widely used, but it has limited address space. Example of IP version 4 address is 192.168.0.1. This IP address is also known as a logical address of a device in a computer network. IP version 4 header structure. Header size is basically 20 to 60 bytes. Basic key fields of IP version 4 header structure is version, header length, total length, source and destination IP, TTL, time to leave, protocol and checksum. This diagram shows the visual picture of IP version 4 header structure. Basically, every field is assigned particular number of bits. We are having version, IHL, DSCP, ECN, total length, identification, flags, fragment offset, TTL, protocol, header checksum, source address, destination address, and last one is options. Each one will be discussed in next slide. Now, version. Version basically indicate the version number of IP protocol used. For example, IP version 4. IHL basically is Internet Header Length. It is basically the length of entire IP header. DSCP is Differentiated Services Code Point. This is basically a type of service. ECN is basically Explicit Conjunction Notification. It basically carries information about the conjunction that is seen in the root. Total length is basically length of entire IP packet including IP header and IP payload. Identification is basically IP packet is fragmented during the transmission. All the fragments contain same identification number, so that whenever receiver receives the entire packet can be reassembled as a original IP packet. Flags. Flags are basically as required by the network resources. IP packet is too large to handle. These flags tells that if they can be fragmented or not. In this 3-bit flag, the MSB is always set to 0. Flag is basically 3-bit. Next one is fragment offset. Fragment offset, this offset tells the exact position of the fragment in original IP packet. TTL basically is used to avoid looping in the network. Every packet is sent with some TTL value so that it can define how many routers a particular packet can cross in the network. At each hop, its value is decremented by 1, and when the value reaches 0, the packet is discarded. Next one is protocol. Protocol tells the network layer at the destination host to which protocol this packet belongs. For example, if this protocol is having value 1, then it belongs to ICMP protocol. If it is having value 6, then it belongs to TCP protocol. If it is having value 17, then it belongs to UDP protocol. Header checksum. Header checksum is basically this field is used to keep checksum value of entire header, which is then used to check if the packet is received error free. Means header checksum is basically used to determine whether the packet is received error free or not. Source address is basically 32-bit address. It is the address of the source of the packet. Next one is destination address. It is 32-bit address of the receiver. Option, this is optional field and its value is basically used to determine the options such as security, record route and timestamp, etc. Now, features of IP version 4. IP version 4 is basically connectionless protocol. It supports fragmentation. It uses ARP, address resolution protocol, for address resolution, and it supports broadcast communication. This was all about IP version 4. In next lecture, we will discuss about IP version 6. Thank you everyone.